Sometimes the most meaningful ideas are born between two worlds. My name is Juan David Hurtado. I'm a Colombian mechanical engineer. For the last 15 years, I have worked in the construction industry, helping design and deliver complex projects, airports, hotels, residential towers, data centers, among others. Leading international teams, working across Colombia and the United States, using technologies like BIM, PDC, and digital manufacturing to bring precision and predictability to the built world. But there's another world that has always been part of who I am. I come from a fourth-generation coffee farming family. Coffee is not just a business for us, it's something that runs into our veins. So my life has always moved between two passions: the world of engineering, where technology allows us to simulate, predict, and optimize, and the world of agriculture, where everything depends on patience, resilience, and working with nature. And one day, a simple question started to grow. If we can simulate cities and buildings, why can't we do the same for coffee farms? What if digital twins and the technologies we use to design the built environment could help farmers design more resilient landscapes? That question became a project, asking to myself how Autodesk technologies can help us to do that. A project to bring new tools to coffee farming, to design agroforestry systems that respond to climate change, to make agriculture more sustainable, more intelligent, and more connected to the future. Because sometimes innovation doesn't happen by choosing between two worlds. It happens when you finally bring them together.